2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392 HEMI. What is it, Timmy? HEMI. Anyways, beautiful car. There's the damn converters that everybody hates, but you know, we gotta keep them on. There's a factory X pipe, and guess what we did? Straight piping. Yeah. We cut all those things off. Resonators, mufflers, whatever you want to call them, we cut them all off. The middle ones, we left the valves in for that sport mode and for the transmission. You never want to cut these unless you get it tuned. And then we did a rear muffler delete or rear resonator delete. There they are again. We cut those off too. All 2.5. Came out absolutely beautiful. And there they are. We hate these things. Did I mention that? I forgot. He might bring it back. He's got it. He surprised his girlfriend with straight piping it for her. So she had a 5.7 and traded up to a Scat Pack. My kind of girl. The faster, the better. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention one very important thing. It's a freaking wide body. I couldn't see it when it was up on the lift. It's a wide body Dodge Charger. Makes it even better. Go ahead. Oh, scream, baby. It's definitely screaming. Don't you guys agree? Sound decibels? Rev it up to 4. Nice. 117. Go ahead and back it up. And them wide wheels. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, that sounds so good. Now the Scat Pack 6.4. Yeah. And it's the wide body too. Really beautiful. Go ahead. Much better. We don't like them quiet here. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger wide body, Hellcat, not Hellcat, sorry, Scat Pack. Really nice. That's how they should have made it from the start, the wide body. I like the pink line on it, that's very cool, little touch. Emblems are pink, really nice. Hopefully he'll let it scream, he'll open it up.